Okay, it is 8 o'clock at night and it's 44 degrees and it's raining. And for some reason, we decided it was a really good time to go to, where are we going? Winco.
Winco.
So I think I've only been to Winco once before.
Yeah, we almost got trampled.
Oh yeah, when you walk into the, well, it was just that one time. But when we walked into the entrance, it was like, I don't know, it was like the Indy 500. People were just
stop and look at like the things that were right in the door.
Yeah.
You would just get rolled over. It was like,
yeah.
Gotta go, come on.
Anyway, so we are going to go and we're going to see what we can find, and we're going to bring you along with us. So we'll see you there.
Bye.
Our first item is going to be the garlic. They have both the organic garlic. So this one is $2.48 for 3, and the organic ginger. I like the bigger, fluff, fatter ginger that you can normally get at the Asian market, but we'll get this one for right now. Get some organic bananas. They are 74 cents a pound. So that is next in the cart. Some medium avocados. They are 70 cents each. That's a pretty good price, huh?
Yeah.
Get a couple of those. Got some corned beef, $3.99 a pound. For St. Patrick's Day, we'll probably put it in the crock pot on Monday.
There we go.
Looks good. Getting some zucchini, 98 cents a pound.
Yeah, just cilantro.
How much
68
is-
cents.
Oh,
each
really?
One. Yep.
Oh, that's a good price. Okay, good job. What'd you get?
Baby bok choy.
How much?
$2.98.
Hey, we found my favorite Jelly Bellies. This is the popcorn flavored one. What is it? $6.98 a pound. I love this so much. Absolutely my favorite, all-time favorite. Let's see how much Darren gets.
Tell me when.
That's good, that's good. Oh my God, that's a lot. Okay, nice. Good job. God, I found this awesome tea at Winco. So they have nutty almond cream, fruity paradise, chunky watermelon, blueberry wild child, Maui mango. I want to try that one. And Victorian Earl Grey. This is $28.38 a pound. It's a loose leaf tea. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, I love it. Trying the fried chicken at Winco.
Yeah.
We're getting the 8-piece. It's $7.98, and everybody tells us that this is the best chicken. So we are super excited to try. Can't wait. Winco, and we're super excited. We ordered the 8-piece fried chicken. Everybody says it's amazing, and we can't wait to try it. 2 thumbs up. Found us a roast. I was hoping we were going to get a roast. I wanted to do something in the crock pot. So this is $29.58 for the value pack. So how much a pound did that come out to be?
It's got $4.98 a pound.
$4.98. Okay, good. So we're definitely getting that. Darren found the Juanita tortilla chips. It is $2.38 a bag, which is a really good price. So we're getting 2 bags. Get some plain yogurt. I'm gonna make that, or I want to make that pistachio lemon breakfast bread. So
That's good.
yeah,
It's a organic, so
yeah.
should be good.
Okay. Well, I hope you like it because I only need like half a cup.
A little bit. I'll eat it.
Okay. In the garden, found a soy bottle. Ours is like leaks and it drives me absolutely crazy. I prefer using Aloha shoyu, but this is Kikkoman, which is fine. I will use it up and then refill it with Aloha shoyu. So
Finally.
Finally. In the cart, found some sriracha. We go through a lot of this.
This stuff is so good.
I know, it's so good. So $3.98, so we're definitely getting that. Do a cart review. We actually did pretty good on this run, not too much junk food. We have 2 roasts, fried chicken. We want to try garlic, ginger, and some veggies. Oh, and we did do the corned beef for Monday and the yogurt for the pistachio bread. So overall, this was a great shopping trip. I definitely would shop at Winco Again, what did you think? Yes, and we got a ridiculous
You can
amount of
smell it
buttered
through the bag.
popcorn
It's
flavored
awesome.
Jelly Bellies. So yeah, super good. So anyway, we hope you enjoyed coming along with us on this shop with me. Please like and subscribe. It really helps our channel. And for now, we'll see you next time. Bye.
See ya later.